When it comes to Beyonce, one thing is for sure, she knows how to make a statement. That's exactly what the 40-year-old did on the cover of her new album, Renaissance, which drops on July 29th. On the cover, Beyonce went completely nude, except for some silver body chains covering her chest and bottom. While in the chains, Bey rode a holographic horse, as she revealed ample cleavage and her toned waist. She topped her look off with a pair of sky-high metallic silver stilettos and had her long brown hair down in waves. Her hair was so long, that it trailed down to her legs, and she tipped her look off with a metallic smoky eye and a bold red lip. Beyonce posted the photo with the caption, Act 1. Renaissance. 7.29. Creating this album allowed me a place to dream and to find escape during a scary time for the world. She continued to write, It allowed me to feel free and adventurous in a time when little else was moving. My intention was to create a safe place, a place without judgment. A place to be free of perfectionism and overthinking. A place to scream, release, feel freedom. It was a beautiful journey of exploration. I hope you find joy in this music. I hope it inspires you to release the wiggle. Ha! And to feel as unique, strong, and sexy as you are. Beyonce has been hyping up this album for a while now, and she even released her first single, Break My Soul, on June 20th. After relating the song, it immediately became a hit, and if that's just a sneak peek of what's to come, then we cannot wait.